From the stabilization tank,
the flow rate and temperature are perfectly stable.
Moving to Zone 3. Tag the bins.
Confirmed. Keep the pace steady.
Readings are stable, well within tolerance.
GPS tracking, temperature logging, and vibration sensors ensure safe delivery. Inside,
Temperature and vibration stable. Data confirmed.
affirmative. Stage 1 complete. Once the container is secured, robotic-assisted door mechanisms open the cargo bay under controlled conditions.
We have a temperature deviation on line 3.
Routing initiated. Stage 1 compliance maintained.
approved pallets of whole cherries are transferred via enclosed conveyors toward the sealed washing zone entrance, marking the controlled boundary between Stage 1 and Stage 2.
As the crates advance, the cherries enter the first active washing chamber, where high
pressure looks stable at 20 psi.
Good. Maintain the flow rate. The integrity is holding up well. Looks good. No compression detected. Confirmed. FDA standards met for this batch. The cherries then enter a large immersion basin filled with continuously circulating wash water, where they are
Look at the pH reading right here. It dropped significantly.
Yes, but the automated correction brought it back within tolerance immediately.
After rinsing, whole cherries move into a drying chamber where filtered HEPA air is
A close-up shot captures droplets of purified water cascading off the surfaces of whole cherries as they pass through the rinse tunnel.
The last cherries exiting the washing zone, as the system seals behind them and initiates automated cleaning in place for the empty chamber.
The spacing on lane 3 looks optimal. Agreed. The ruby coloration is consistent across the batch.
See how the texture analysis highlights the subtle bruising right there?
The algorithm caught that immediately. System health is optimal.
Artificial intelligence systems analyze the collected images, evaluating color saturation, brightness, and
The geometric consistency readings look stable, no anomalies detected.
Confirmed. The batch meets.
High-speed robotic arms execute the classification results by gently picking and redirecting whole cherries into designated. Automated doors open only after system checks confirm zone clearance and batch integrity. The cherries.
The camera follows the last whole cherries leaving the sorting chamber as the system seals behind them and initiates automated sensors confirm zone isolation before allowing material flow.
The cherry passed directly into the cutting intake chute without stopping.
Immediately after entry, industrial stainless steel cutting blades perform preliminary cutting to destroy the whole fruit structure of the cherry. The separated cherry flesh fragments enter a fine cutting module, where secondary blades reduce particle size to a
Pressure holding steady at 20 psi.
Noted. Throughput remains optimal. Following primary grinding, the cherry mash advances forward. The refined cherry mash is then transferred into a sealed intermediate stabilization tank equipped with gentle.
From the stabilization tank, the cherry mash is pumped through sealed pipelines toward the juice extraction interface.
Automated controls verify mash consistency, temperature, and readiness before release. East Asian.
Flow rate is holding steady at 500 liters per hour.
Turbidity levels look good too. We are maintaining optimal enzyme activity.
The flow rate and temperature are perfectly stable.
Excellent. The rhythm is synchronized for clarification.
The entire extraction system.
The audio is dominated by the steady, rhythmic hum and whirring of heavy industrial machinery operating smoothly.
Stage 5 parameters are nominal.
Confirmed. Transfer is complete. locking the extraction zone.
It's cool. A final tracking shot follows the cherry juice as it exits the extraction zone through enclosed piping toward the
Differential pressure is stable across all membranes.
Acknowledged. Cleaning cycle initiated on loop 3.
After membrane filtration, cherry juice enters a centrifugal clarification unit, where fine suspended solids are separated using controlled rotational force.
The clarified cherry juice is directed into a stabilization tank, where gentle hydraulic buffering equalizes.
In the final operation of this stage, fully clarified cherry juice is transferred via zest to the
Turbidity levels are holding steady at 0.05.
Good. Maintain current flow velocity.
Looks good. The buffer tank is maintaining equilibrium perfectly.
Agreed. Temperature holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius.
The stabilized cherry juice is pumped into a fine membrane tration system using cross-flow technology.
The transfer is complete. Stage 6, first half confirmed successful.
The RPMs are stable at 5,000.
And the discharge pressure looks good. Clarity is 99%.
After centrifugal clarification, the cherry juice is routed through an inline optical inspection corridor.
The fully clarified cherry juice then enters a final stabilization tank, designed to equalize flow and thermal conditions before pasteurization.
Stabilization parameters confirmed. Valve sequence looks good.
CIP circuit integrity verified. We are cleared for continuous production.
Laminar flow stable, module locked.
Confirmation successful. Moving to thermal processing.
A concluding tracking shot follows the cherry juice as it leaves the clarification zone through enclosed conduits.
The clarified cherry juice is routed into a flow balancing buffer tank, designed to stabilize hydraulic conditions before heating.
Into a plate heat exchanger for controlled preheating.
The preheated cherry juice immediately enters the HTST sterilization module, where high
After reaching sterilization temperature, cherry juice flows through a calibrated holding tube designed to guarantee sufficient residue.
We've stabilized at the target temperature.
Confirmed. Cooling curve is steady.
sterilized packaging unit to centralize the
Chery juice packages enter the indirect weight verification station. Precision load cells measure each unit's total mass and
approved packages proceed to the final Leintaג selects sealed Chery juice packages for statistical quality verification. Robotic palletizers equipped with vacuum grippers or once pallet stacking is complete, automated wrapping systems secure the load using stretch film or protective straps. Before entering storage, each pallet passes through an automated stability verification station.
Following a digitally mapped route, the AGV avoids human work zones, maintaining constant speed to
verification complete. When a shipment order is released, an AGV retrieves the designated pallet and transports it to the outbound distributor. Pallets are loaded using automated dock systems.